introductions. I'm the neighbor, but my neighbor needed to sell his vehicle. His English isn't that good, so you'll have to go through me. But here's a walkthrough and a startup. So the key fob needs to be programmed, or the battery's dead. I'm not sure. I asked Han to clean out the vehicle before he sold it, so he'll probably get on it this week. So it has 196K. But I went over it mechanically the other day, and it's pretty good. I mean, it's a good van anyways. It's a 2008 Toyota Sienna. I'm not sure if that's the right pronunciation. The AC works really well, but all the modes work. You have to come by and test drive it, but I'll probably drive it around here in the video if there's enough time. But no knocking, no oil leaks. I checked the oil the other day and he's had regular oil changes. There's no electrical problems. I hooked up to the CAN bus. There's no module problems. Maybe fading on the lights, but they still work. EMPORIA motors. There's a scratch here. And there's a dent here. Scratch dent. Does that make sense? Can't go this way. And I seen another one. Oh, the bumper. So right here. Alright, just let me know. Bye-bye.